Bonjour, comment allez-vous? This is the Crypto Kid podcast, and today we discuss MicroStrategy's master plan to purchase $42 billion in BTC. That's right, $42 billion of Bitcoin. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is an entire 7 days, 1 week after the U.S. presidential election here in 2024, November 5th, 2024, here in the United States. And Donald Trump is our president elect. As a result, market sentiment across all markets, stock markets, commodity markets, crypto markets, everything currently is bull. And now the brilliant CEO of MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, has unveiled an ambitious Bitcoin buying plan to raise an additional 42 billion US dollars and purchase all Bitcoin with this money. And guess what? Guess what, boys and girls? This plan is going to work. In fact, he's inspired other companies such as Similar Scientific, which is now transforming. Like, you guys need to see what's happening and get on the bandwagon quickly while all of this is happening. So what we're seeing is Similar Scientific is a medical device company, and it has released an ambitious plan to follow what MicroStrategy is doing under Michael Saylor, and they are going to transform themselves into a Bitcoin treasury, just like MicroStrategy. So the writing is on the wall, everyone. What I've been trying to explain to you is that fiat currency as we know it is dead. Currency is being transformed. In fact, 70% of all transactions take place online. And so that requires some form of debit or credit card. So it only makes sense that currency is going to be digital. Is going to be online. So that's why we talk about, when we say cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, we also say digital currency. And it just makes sense. One of the catalysts to this transformation was the pandemic of COVID-19, where shoppers could not go to their favorite store because you had to have observed 6 foot distance. So there would be lines outside of certain stores for people to get in. So what people began doing is going to Amazon. So Amazon is the major player in this game that was able to capitalize off COVID. So Jeff Bezos, he just became billions of dollars. He probably became 70 billion, $100 billion richer from COVID personally. And that's after the profits, and his stock valuation, and just how Amazon was positioned already to take advantage of purchases online. But it forced other retailers who are slow, who have had to close many of their stores, like Saks Fifth Avenue, Macy's, all our favorite department stores. They had to learn the online sales game like everybody else. So now all these other retailers are online. Even Walmart has gotten in the game and is selling online. So it just made sense. But Amazon was perfectly poised to exploit this situation and reap the largest profits. And it did, but it let everybody else know that in the future, you need to be catering to people online as far as retail sale purchases. And that is exactly what has happened. Bitcoin is currently now trading at 87,296 US dollars. As I predicted, Bitcoin would break above 85,000 US dollars within 7 days of the official announcement of Donald Trump. And today makes day 6. It was already called Tuesday night, but AP Press would not make the official announcement. Everybody else was calling it that night that Donald Trump was winning, regardless of what the state of California, because he already had 287 electoral votes, and they just would not call it at all, no matter what. In addition to that, um, there still are shenanigans going on here in the state of Arizona, but Arizona has replaced Stephen Richter of Maricopa County with a more trusted election official who was voted in. Let me pull this up for this is Stewart. Yes. So, no, Justin Heap. Justin Heap has been voted as the Maricopa County recorder. And just, Stephen Richter was anti Trump and, Richard. And he just, his behavior just over the last 4 years has been highly questionable, and it was time for him to go. So the fact that Justin Heap has been elected means that in the future we can look for more reliable results. One of the things, and he has advocated paper ballots and no more early ballots. What it should be is just paper ballots, same day counting, and then everything should be completed. You just get more volunteers, and you have observers, and just this whole process, you know, so that people will trust them more because they've lost trust. Also, the Vietnamese government on October 23rd has voted to implement an ambitious plan. They're still at the planning stages, but the fact that the legislature has met and agreed to come up with an ambitious blockchain technology plan. They want to become a regional blockchain hub. In addition to that, the Turkish government has voted to cancel capital gains tax on stocks and cryptocurrency, and as it positions itself to get involved in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. So a lot of these governments are getting on board. So it's good to see that both the Vietnamese government and the Turkish government are getting on board with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, because you don't want to be left behind. Now, any country that wants to work with me to help design a Ethereum smart contract, a blockchain technology, leave some comments below, reach out to me, DM me. I'm open. I've been doing this for a very long time. My thesis in 2019 at Howard University was Bitcoin, secure hash algorithms, and blockchain technology, published by ProQuest in 2019. So I have been doing this for a while. In the markets, as we go into Q4, during the Christmas shopping season, purchases are up. Last week, Federal Reserve Chair cut the prime interest rate by 1/4 point to continue to spur spending and make it easier and cheaper to get loans. The markets are responding to all of this. It is already rumored that the designer of Cardano will be Donald Trump's chief crypto strategist, which is a great honor. He's a great mathematician. So kudos to him. I'm looking for a call too from the Trump team to work on cryptocurrency and cybersecurity. And the markets now, we're looking for, I predicted in 7 days Bitcoin would pass 85,000 US dollars. It's already done that in 6 days. It looks like it's about to pass 100,000 US dollars and possibly 150,000 US dollars before December 31st, 2024. So now I need to adjust all of my adjustments that Bitcoin will hit 300,000 US dollars by July 20th, 2025. So this is amazing. In addition to that, the SEC is making everybody happy by processing requests for Bitcoin ETFs. World Liberty Financial, the Trump organization, has had their Bitcoin ETF approved. BlackRock has had their ETF approved. Microstrategy has had their ETF approved. Bitcoin ETFs and meme coins seem to be the popular crypto instruments right now. There's just more to come. It'll be also interesting to see what Donald Trump's Bitcoin mining strategy is. It will require a lot of infrastructure, and I know I am positioning myself to make a request for an application. So whenever that is announced, I'll be excited about that, and I will provide you guys with details as the developments occur. So with that, this is Daniel Plummer, the Crypto Kid, signing out today. I'll continue to give you updates. Also, look for that pullback. This is a new high. I've been trading for more than 30 years, and every time, whether it's stock options, gold and silver bullion, foreign currencies, or cryptocurrency, when a financial instrument hits a new high, many investors see that as an opportunity to take some profits and sell down the market. So don't be surprised. Also, don't be caught off guard when this is coming, because it's inevitable. And then when that sell-off occurs, hey, that's just another good buying opportunity. We will begin to provide more analyses of financial charts and market trends. So, and these are from a technical analyst point of view, so you can begin to identify moving chart averages, MACDs, head and shoulders, things of that nature, so you can become a good technical trader. Also, remember, you cannot ignore political headlines or financial headlines. With that, this is the Crypto Kid signing out, and remember, the future is crypto.